Have you been thinking about a new patio door purchase? The first step is determining your project type. If you are building a new home or doing a home addition, you will want to look for new construction patio doors, which feature a nailing fin for installation. Replacement patio doors do not have nailing fins and are the right choice for updating your existing doors. The next step is picking a door style. How the door operates and how it will complement your home's architecture are important considerations. Sliding patio doors glide open smoothly on a durable track, and many models come in 2, 3, or 4-panel configurations to fit your size needs. Sliding patio doors are versatile and a breeze to operate. Our sliding patio doors come with a variety of options, from slimline frames for a contemporary feel to a classic wider frame that mimics the look of a French door with the ease of a sliding operation. Next, identify your energy efficiency needs. Low E-glass coatings keep warm air inside in the winter and deflect heat in the summer. Argon gas or triple pane glass can provide additional insulation and thermal efficiency. And nearly all of our patio doors can be ordered to meet ENERGY STAR guidelines in any climate zone. Additional options include laminated glass for security, storm-resistant impact glass, and patterned or tinted glass for privacy. From colors and hardware that match your decor, to frames and grids or grills that accentuate your architecture, the options are practically limitless. Many retailers offer in-stock doors in popular sizes and styles, but you can also order custom doors with even more features built specifically for your home. Talk to a sales representative today to learn more about your patio options.